Let's be honest for a second. Most of your day is spent sitting. A Hispanic man sits for breakfast. A Hispanic man sits watching TV.
A young black woman with braided hair sits scrolling her phone. And it feels harmless. It even feels like rest.
But here's the truth no one tells you. Sitting is one of the worst positions for your body after 60. Not because it feels bad,
but because the damage is silent. While a young Hispanic man is sitting, your blood flow slows down. Your hips stiffen, but because the damage is silent. While a young Hispanic man is sitting, your blood flow slows down. Your hips stiffen.
Your pelvic area becomes inactive. That heavy feeling in your legs, that tightness in your hips, you blame aging.
But in reality, your circulation is being cut off. And if this continues, your mobility slowly disappears.
But here's the good news. You don't need a gym. You don't need intense workouts. You just need the right movements.
Today, I'm gonna show you 5 simple exercises that wake your body back up. Restore circulation, loosen your hips.
Exercise 1, the glute walk. This one might look strange, but it works. Powerfully, sit down on the floor.
Legs straight in front of you. Sit tall, don't slouch. Now here's what you do. Lift one hip forward, then the other.
Like you're walking on your butt. Right, left. Small movements, slow.
Controlled. What's happening here? You are pumping blood directly into your pelvic area. You're waking up muscles that have been asleep for years.
This movement improves circulation, stimulates digestion, supports prostate health, and strengthens pelvic muscles.
Do this for 1 minute, forward and backward. If your back feels weak, use your hands for support. Remember, no sharp pain, only gentle effort.
Exercise 2, sumo stretch. Now we open the hips. Stand up, feet wider than your shoulders, toes slightly outward. Now gently bend one knee. Shift your weight side to side, feeling that movement. Now place your hands on your thighs for support and slowly lower down. Not deep, just enough to feel your inner thighs stretch. Now do small pulses, tiny movements. Why? If not deep, just enough to feel your inner thighs stretch. Now do small pulses, tiny movements. Why?
Because pulsing pushes old fluid out, pulls fresh blood in. This is what your hips desperately need.
Do this 4 or 5 times slowly. If your knees hurt, just do a small squat, hands on thighs, very shallow movement. Same pulsing, same benefit.
Exercise 3, the pendulum. This is my favorite. Stand next to a wall, one hand on the wall.
Now lift one leg slightly, then let it drop. Completely relaxed.
Like a loose rope. Lift and drop, lift and drop. This creates a gentle pull in your hip space.
Reduces stiffness, relieves pressure. Do 10 reps per leg. Do not control the drop. Let gravity do the work. That's where the magic happens.
Squeeze for 2 seconds. For 2 seconds. Relax for 2 seconds. Repeat.
You'll feel your inner thighs working. These muscles are extremely important because they stabilize your hips, protect your knees.
Do 10 reps, 2 sets. Breathe normally. Do not hold your breath.
Exercise 5, figure 4 stretch. Now lie down on the floor or your bed. Place one foot flat. Take the other leg and cross it over your thigh, like a 4 shape. Now a middle-aged East Asian man, gently pull your leg toward your chest. You'll feel a deep stretch in your hip. Stay here, breathe, relax. This releases deep tension.
Improves circulation, reduces stiffness, makes walking easier. Hold for 30-60 seconds each side.
No force, no pain, just gentle release.
Right now, your body feels different, looser, warmer, more alive. That's what movement does.
Here's what you need to remember. Sitting didn't damage your body in one day, and you won't fix it in one day. But if you do this daily, everything starts changing.
A senior Caucasian man's hips loosen. His legs feel lighter. His movement becomes easier.
And most importantly, your independence comes back. Because after 60, movement is everything.
Now tell me in the comments, Which exercise felt the best and where are you watching from? I read every comment.
And if you want more simple, powerful health videos like this, subscribe now. Take care of your body, and I'll see you in the next video.